Hey, what's up? It's me, Errol, back again with another video. Today we're fitting sheet vinyl in a hallway. The only issue we have today is that it's raining outside, so we're not able to cut the vinyl outside. We're now going to have to open this vinyl up in this small hallway. It's been quite a while since I've done that, so here we go. Oh, by the way, this is the most difficult way to actually fit a hallway. The easier way is to cut the vinyl from a template outside. But as the weather doesn't permit that today, we should just have to do it the old-fashioned hard way. What I'm doing here now is making sure the vinyl reaches both ends of the hallway, and then I'll go to the other end and check the front door. Check the kitchen doorway to make sure it hits that one. And once those two areas are good, then we shall proceed with the fitting of the vinyl.
The slate again, but I know the change. No, it don't come easy.
Now I'm just going to take the tape measure and check and make sure that we have enough vinyl to hit the wall by the stairs. And now we've done that, I shall make the first point cut. I hear you asking, why do you need to point cut? Now, the reason you point cut is a twofold answer really. The main one is to release the pressure off of the vinyl as you move the vinyl around, and it helps to prevent tearing. Not only that, it does make it easier to fit the vinyl.
But this is something I've gotta do for myself. I'm thankful, but I can't take that help. Gotta do this my way, my way, my way. To be a better man. All I need is to clean the slate again, but I know the change. No, it don't come easy. Change. No, it don't come easy to me.
At this point here, it's just a series of point cuts that we make as we try to get rid of the majority of the waste so that we can actually see what we're doing. Normally on a floor like this, you would plyboard the floor before fitting the vinyl. But in this particular case, the customer does not want to plyboard. They are planning some renovations quite soon, so they've just decided to fit the vinyl straight over the floorboards, which means on completion you should see some lines in the floor showing the original floor lines coming through. And as per usual, what I'm using here is a contact adhesive. Now do remember that when you spray the floor, to spray the back of the vinyl helps the vinyl to stick better.
See, I made a promise to myself to make a change and better myself, but I don't feel any difference, and that's a shame. All I want.
At this point here, it's just a series of point cuts that we make.
To clean the slate again, but I know the change. No, it don't come easy. Change. No, it don't come easy to me. Change. Change. All I want is change. No, it don't come easy to me.
as we try to get rid of the majority of the waste so that we can actually see what we're doing.
See, I've got all my family and friends. You all know how it is. They got your back and they just a phone call away. But this is something I've gotta do for myself. I'm thankful, but I can't take that help. Gotta do this my way, my way, my way. Just to be a better man. All I need.
Now do remember that when you spray the floor, to spray the back of the vinyl helps the vinyl to stick better. Do remember, as you trim the vinyl down, keep pushing the bubbles out. Now do remember that when you spray the floor, to spray the back of the vinyl helps the vinyl to stick better. Oh, here we are again, removing waste. So much excess vinyl. And in the corner here, I'm just making a V cut at the bottom of the stairs here, which will help the vinyl to sit properly.
But I realize that I'm still the same man I was yesterday. See, I made a promise to myself to make a change and better myself, but I don't feel any difference, and that's a shame. All I want is to be a better man. Slate again, but I know the change, no, it don't come easy. Change, no, it don't come easy to me. Change, change, all I want is change, no, it don't come easy to me. All my family and friends, you all know how it is. They got your back and they just a phone call away. But this is something I've gotta do for myself. I'm thankful, but I can't take that help. Gotta do this my way, my way, my way. Just to be a better man. All I need to clean the slate again, but I know the change, no, it don't come easy. Change, no, it don't come easy to me. Change, change, all I want is change, no, it don't come easy to me now.
Yeah, here we go. We're trimming up the vinyl at the bottom of the stairs, and you'll notice that I trimmed the vinyl a little bit long, and the reason for that is there is actually a gap at the bottom of the step where the carpet meets the floor, so we will just tuck the vinyl into that gap.
Listen. Woke up this morning and rubbed my eyes. Took me a second, but I realized that I'm still the same man I was yesterday. See, I made a promise to myself to make a change and better myself, but I don't feel any different.
And don't worry about cutting the vinyl a bit long, because you can trim it down as many times as you like. The issue is if you cut it short, you can't add it back in. So, trim it long, trim it down again and again.
All my family and friends, you all know how it is. They got your
Hey, there you go. We've just about come to the end of this one. This particular video was requested by one of my subscribers. Hopefully this video has been of use to you. Like, share and subscribe. And check out my next video, how to lay vinyl in a bathroom. Thank you for watching.
Clean the slate again, but I know the